Are you looking for a home with the perfect blend of comfort and luxury? Then my newest listing at 1005 Harris Road in the sought-after neighborhood of Little Neck will be perfect for you. This home is an entertainer's dream with a spacious kitchen, high-end appliances, huge center island, 2 dining areas, and multiple living spaces. And if you're a wine lover, just wait to see what I have next. This property includes a custom-built wine cellar, which houses over 450 bottles at temperature-controlled settings, where every sip will be perfection. This home has 5 bedrooms plus a 6th bonus media room, complete with projector and screen. And the property itself sits on 1.3 acres with an in-ground heated pool, hot tub, and screened-in porch. Call me today to schedule your private viewing on this exquisite luxury home.